So weird.
What happened? Well, popping. Well, I was Oakland. That'd be cool.
Is this the guy I lost to last time? Wait a minute.
Could be.
I am doing bad. What am I doing? How do I fight a Zelda?
You know, I saw it as a meme, but this dude really is just plus on all his buttons.
No, what was that air dodge? What am I doing? What am I doing? I just threw my first stock away like it was trash. I didn't need it. It's alright. I am actually garbage. Why'd I choose Marth? I picked him up like last week. Yeah. This ain't it. This ain't it. I ain't playing Marth next.
Take the first game. Oh my god.
Dude, I am trash.
What?
Oh, I told you.
Bro, what's
Just
that?
go free.
Oh.
I don't know if I'm doing Diddy again. That's not good.
I tried to counter. It came out so
No,
fast.
don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Dude, fighting is
I wouldn't go
sad.
Joker.
Yeah, me
either,
too.
though. I need,
I'm
like,
fighting Zelda
anything
this
else.
very moment.
Stage two.
Just try.
But like, I don't know this young.
I thought I had
Bye.
space.
Yeah,
Play
but
the modern
he's,
fights.
like, he's slow.
Alright, it's alright. I'm gonna probably get 3 stock this match,
Okay.
but that's alright.
Lucina.
Alright, never mind.
My Lucina isn't.
I'm gonna get
Good.
that shiny Solgaleo, bro.
Versus
My Lucina
Saga
don't fuck
Lyo.
up the stuff, so, like, once it-
No, what am I doing? What was that? This was like my worst match ever. Holy. That was trash. I am actual garbage.
When I'm with you. Wait, what?
Wait,
I didn't even know.
I
do you
can't
get,
turn to go
the
Steve.
pre-evolution of Lava Fett?
With both feet.
Huh?
I said with both feet.
how'd that even happen?
What, Bofi?
How you get the pre-evolution of Lava Fett?
I was
You
not the
find
winner
it.
of that. Why did it do
You
that?
find the little widget. Huh?
When I
There,
met
there,
you
okay.
in the summer.
Wabbit. Trying to get Wabbit. Real
There,
evolution.
okay, that was-
rename.
A weird glitch.
Where is he?
Why are we playing on Yoshi's story?
Beats.
Not bad.
I hate your story.
I need to go around like smacking things in their mouth because I need to like upgrade.
Alright.
This will not be you.
Stop. Stop.
Dude just got so good buttons.
Why you singing, bro? You want me to get doxxed?
Yeah.
Alex,
Keeping it
my
doxed.
fault. Let me not sing.
Bro, how'd I go from 10 viewers to
Some
3,
Freddy
bro?
streamer who has a singing human. Don't SD.
I literally went from 10 viewers to 3. I bet it's my bad gameplay. It was, I guarantee it was my trash gameplay.
God damn. How dare you?
But it wasn't.
Daddy. These are all
I
natural.
need them criticals, bro.
Look at this. Look, he has no. He's literally plus on
Egg leg?
everything.
I
Look
told
at his
bro,
egg
Young
leg.
Link is broken.
He's got so much of it.
Bro.
Grab me out of
And
it.
then he camps me out. Or he can camp me out.
This is why Young Link is better than Big Link.
I see why you went Yoshi's
Yeah, I
story.
don't think
Okay.
somebody disputed it.
I'm definitely losing this match.
Hard.
I'm fighting this again. I think I've fought this person before and lost last time too. This ain't even cool.
Bro!
Hi. Angle your up B. What are you doing?
I have no need to.
Clearly you did because you didn't snap leg, did you?
I suck against this Zelda, bro.
Right after
Oh,
that, he
I
was
need
not
the thing.
afraid. Also, I can't tech. Why?
What am I doing?
No. Bump.
Alright.
Oh my.
Oh my! Well, how did that turn into a side
That
B?
match.
Oh, bro, I am in shambles in this, bro.
Diddy got me hurting.
Why'd I let that happen?
No more Diddy.
Hitbox, what am I doing? Holy crap, I lost already, bro. I am trash.
You're not much worse than me, bro. My last game really just solidifies how good I am.